Bell, huh? This is Oprah. And Mary Bell's her mom.
And that's Mary Bell?
This is Mary Bell. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Mary Bell and I are special friends, huh? Yeah, because Mary Bell came in already pregnant.
Really?
Yeah, she did.
And that's the outcome, and aren't you wonderful?
And it's like, yeah, because There's some. Bet you they're all out.
Oh, yeah, they're all down there.
Oh, no. It's full.
There's a couple back there.
Look at all the hoy face.
Watch it stop there. Oh, yeah, stop there.
Watch it stop. I'd drop right off.
Hey, guys.
Oh, wow, look at this little one here.
Hey there.
These are all rescues.
Yeah, look at that one.
Oh, yeah.
Look how skinny he is.
Nope, don't want to get my fingers taken off.
No, you don't want that.
Oh,
How you doing, Riley? Huh? This is Riley. Huh? How are you?
Who's this?
Riley. Sponsored and loved by Hank and Karen.
Hey there,
That's a nice looking horse.
Caesar. Hey there.
Caesar was born in 1996.
Oh, you're an old guy.
Ailment DSLD.
I have no idea what that means.
That's of the joints.
Is that what it is?
I wasn't sure if it was like ADD, HD, or what it was. And this is
You're the horse with no name.
this one's got the same
Went
thing.
through the
Oh, yes,
desert
that's
on a
ex-
horse with no name.
That's
It felt good to get out
Everyone's got
of the
arthritis.
rain.
That's exactly what's going through my mind.
No names. No names.
So we're here at a-
17, 18, almost
A rescue.
19
Animal
years.
rescue. And they take care of the rescue. Horses, they got horses, chickens, goats, donkeys.
Cows.
We're
So
just now looking at them. The one nursing home was run by Shakers.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. When they closed it down. This place was owned by the Shakers, and I don't know how they obtained it, but now another group takes it, and they take care of all the abused animals or forgotten animals.
it was a Shaker community.
Shaker community.
Oh, look. I already got
We doing?
So you can see we can still see the bay from here. And she said it was 4.5 miles long. And it's still going further to the east from here.
Unreal.
think that, what are they out there? Sheep?
Yeah, there's
Well, that's a
sheep right
beautiful
here.
picture. Look at that.
Oh, it sure is. Yeah, I like your hackle. You want to donate some feathers? Hey, peacock. You're kind of quiet.
They must have that fence underground
Doesn't
there,
have much plumage on his head.
so they can't get out underneath the fence. They got it out. So they got two over here.
Chicken Little.
Fine. There must be another one in there. 'Cause you got Discovery and NBC.
You can hear clear as a bell. Only have one, and they haven't taken the sign down.
Yeah, there could be two.
Daughter has free range chickens, and we feed them all the time with the scraps from our birds.
Which one of them is making that sound? Is it that chicken right here?
I'm glad it cleared up for the wedding for these people that are getting married.
For where this
So this is the Underground Railroad
a stop on the underground
and a
railroad.
stop on it.
Yeah, is the lady that gave us the tour said there were actually several stops along the south shore of Lake Ontario.
Yeah.
Here and further west, Holtonville, as well as further west from there.
See, we got a couple sailboats out here on the lake now. And we got a small boat down here.
So we're cooking some ribs, aren't we?
Yes.
See, they're over there.
A little stressed out there.
This is where we're at, isn't that a beautiful view? Everyone back up. So we're starting a fire.
We should roast marshmallows.
Did you bring some?
Where is it? About where your house is.
We have shit ton of turkey though. That is so not cool. Exactly.
1.
13-1. Look how close they're coming right at us.
Hey.
Hold in. Out, out.
Commander. Stop it with it's a game. This is serious business.
Here we go.
You're dragging me in with you.
That's so beautiful.
14-1.
Watch, see?
Getting a weed?
Tiny rock.
You did.
That's huge.
Yeah.
I was saying I've never seen one.
I like that.
I've never seen one with
Awesome is what it
That is
is.
awesome.
Because I come out in the morning. Yeah, it's on the perfect. I like the 2 bathrooms.
Watch him get arrested or some shit.
Where it would be
Yeah,
nice, the
thank
other
you
one.
for watching.
Give us a thumbs up.
Share,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
For probably ever.
Make sure you share it with your friends and family too.
Because it'll last.
Yes.
Have a great
Yeah.
day.
Everything is
And we'll
God.
catch you on the road.
So.
Catch you on the road.
And I ain't leaving.
Jade, say it.
Subscribers, and we got 172
Catch you on the
so far.
road.
But we want to get up in the thousands.
There we go. Get it up there, guys. Come on, Connie. Get your arms shaking. She's trying to keep the smoke from going in her eyes. I don't see you over there, Terry. Come on, get your hands up. There you go. We'll go over here to Octopus Man here. Look at that fire. We are having so much fun. Are we having fun, everybody? But that's all right.
Knocking on heaven's door.
Oh, sing it, baby, sing it. Yep. This will be on YouTube tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. About a month from now.
Yeah, we'll be out of Dodge by then, so they can't get us.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.